Ever wondered if black holes make music? In 2003, scientists discovered a supermassive black hole in the Perseus galaxy cluster emits sound waves, 57 octaves below middle C. These waves ripple through hot gas, creating vibrations. If we could hear them, they'd sound like a deep rumble, but they're so low-pitched our ears can't detect them without amplification. This cosmic symphony gives us a new way to study the mysterious environment around black holes. Follow for more mind-blowing space facts.